Most people get this wrong when they try apps like Rewarded Play. They expect easy money just for playing games, but the reality is more specific than that. And if you don't understand how it works, you could waste hours for very little return. Here's the truth no one tells you. Rewarded Play is not a scam, but it is not a side income replacement either. It is a reward-based gaming app where you earn points by playing selected mobile games, and those points can be redeemed for gift cards. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Rewarded Play works in 2026, how much you can realistically earn, and whether it is worth your time compared to other reward apps. Let's start with the basics. After downloading the app, you pick from a list of games. You install them, play, and complete in-game milestones. For example, John from Chicago might reach level 10 in a puzzle game and earn a small batch of points. The more you progress, the more you earn. But here's the problem. The early levels pay fast, then earnings slow down significantly. This is where most users get frustrated. You might earn a few dollars in the first day, but after that, progress takes longer and rewards feel smaller. Now here's where it gets interesting. Rewarded Play focuses heavily on engagement time, so games that require longer play sessions tend to pay more over time. That means strategy matters. You cannot just tap randomly and expect consistent rewards. When it comes to payouts, you can redeem points for gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, and others. Most users report reaching a $5 to $10 gift card after a few days to a couple of weeks of casual play. But anything beyond that requires consistent daily use. So is it worth it? That depends on your expectations. If Alex from Texas wants passive income, this is not it. But if someone just wants to earn small rewards while killing time, it can be a decent option. Now let's talk pros and cons quickly in plain terms. The biggest advantage is that it is simple and free to start. You don't need investment or special skills. The downside is low earning potential and time-heavy progression. Another important point is availability of games. You will not always find high-paying or interesting games, and some rewards may vary based on your region or device. So, here is the final takeaway. Rewarded Play is legit, but it is best treated as entertainment with small rewards, not income. If you go in with that mindset, you will not be disappointed. If you are looking for honest app reviews like this, make sure to like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more breakdowns that save you time and money.